Welcome to GK and Current Affairs Weekly, 4th week, June 2020. Hey friends, this is Mahendra Vaishnav getting you to the most competitive questions to help you out in competitive exams. Friends, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel VM9 India, please do subscribe and do not forget to hit on bell icon for latest updates. Enjoy, good luck.
Question 1. India shares Akhora border with which country? Answer: Bangladesh. A batch of 124 Indian nationals crossed over to Tripura from Akhora border on June 19th as part of the ongoing evacuation exercise of Indian nationals stranded in Bangladesh due to coronavirus pandemic. Question 2. When is World Music Day observed? Answer: June 21st. It is celebrated as World Music Day or Fête de la Musique is an annual celebration that was founded by Jack Lang and Maurice Floret in 1981. Question 3. Which ministry has launched an online yoga quiz competition to promote the integration of yoga in the school curriculum? Answer: HRD Ministry. Union Human Resource Development Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal has launched an online yoga quiz competition to promote the integration of yoga in the school curriculum. Question 4. How much funds have been earmarked by the Ministry of DoNR for the augmentation of healthcare facilities in 8 NE states? Answer: Rupees 190 crores. The project will focus at developing infrastructure for the management of infectious diseases. Question 5. Which panel has been formed to develop a job platform for migrant laborers who have lost their jobs due to COVID-19? Answer: Amitabh Kant panel. The panel also has members from Google, Microsoft and Tech Mahindra. Question 6. With which country India has signed a credit financing agreement promising 200 million euros, that is rupees 1709 crore, to help fight COVID war? Answer: France. The fund will be provided to India through AFD Agents Franchise Development. Question 7. How many members were there in RIC FM's Meet 2020? Answer: 3. RIC members: Russia, India, China. India has said that respecting international law, recognizing legitimate interest of partners, supporting multilateralism and promoting common good are the only ways of building a durable world order. Question 8. How much funds been allocated by PM CARES Fund for supplying Made in India ventilators to government run COVID hospitals? Answer: Rupees 2000 crores. In addition, 1000 crore rupees have been allocated for the welfare of migrant laborers. Question 9. Which has launched Decarbonizing Transport in India project on June 24th? Answer: Niti Aayog. The project has been launched with International Transport Forum. Question 10. Where is Gundicha Temple? Answer: Odisha. Question 11. Who is the winner of the 2020 Peace Prize of the German Book Trade? Answer: Amartya Sen. Question 12. Rajinder Goyal, who died recently, was a famous player of, and the answer is cricket. Legendary first-class spinner Rajinder Goyal has represented Haryana, Punjab and Delhi in domestic cricket. Question 13. World Hydrographic Day is observed on. Answer June 21st. Theme of the World Hydrographic Day 2020 is Hydrography Enabling Autonomous Technologies. Question 14. Which has launched Skills Build Reignite to reach job seekers? Answer MSDE. The aim of the project is to reach more job seekers and provide new resources to business owners in India. Question 15. CBDT has extended the date for linking of Aadhaar with PAN till dash. Answer is March 31st, 2021. The due date for filling the income tax return for 2019-20 has also been extended till 30th November 2020. Question 16. Which ministry recently conducted Dekho Apna Desh webinar series? Answer Tourism Ministry. To showcase the benefits India's ancient form of health science, Tourism Ministry conducted a webinar on Vedic food and spices of India under Dekho Apna Desh webinar series. Question 17. How much emergency funds has been allocated by the Union government granted to armed forces for war preparedness? Answer Rupees 500 crores. The fund has been provided in the wake of ongoing border tensions with China. Question 18. In the CGSSD scheme, what is the amount of the guarantee fund that will be provided to the promoters who can take debt from the banks to further invest in their stressed MSCs as equity? Answer Rupees 21,000 crore. The scheme seeks to extend support to the promoters of the operational MSMEs which are stressed and have become NPA as on 30th April of this year. Question 19. Where is Umroi Airport located? Answer Meghalaya. It's the only airport of Meghalaya. Question 20. Name the project which has been launched by HRD Ministry for Higher Education Institutes. Answer Yukti 2.0. It is a platform of support the startups incubated in the institutes of higher education over the virtual platform. Thank you.
I thank the volunteer Komal Vaishnav in helping this project. Thank you.